Hi, my name is Devin here at Westbrook MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you the 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage.
Starting in the aft of the boat, you have twin Mercury 300s, swim platforms on either side. On your starboard swim platform, you have your swim ladder, your washdown, your batteries, your boarding door. On the port side, you have a livewell. On your transom, you have 3 rod holders and a flip-out transom seat. On your starboard side, you have a rear-facing jump seat with storage. It can be used as a fish box, ice box. On your port side, you have a 3-position lounger. The 3-position lounger gives you the ability to seat several people, forward-facing and aft-facing. You can make it an aft-facing lounge. You can bring it all the way down into a nice large sun pad, and you can still face aft and have some cushion. If you want to have a forward-facing lounge, simply come back to the back seat, open it up, and flip the rod out. Now you have a large forward-facing lounge. As you saw, there is storage underneath these seats, and that is where your dive ladder will be stowed. Talking about dive ladder, let's bring you over to the dive door. Dive door is probably my favorite option on this boat, especially if you have a port side dock. This makes for the easiest boarding and offboarding. You have a nice sink here. One side of this is a cutting board. The other side is the nice finish. Underneath this console, you have more storage area. Putting the 3-position lounger back in its position will give you access to the head. The head is large, spacious, and is a wet head with a retractable shower head. Moving to the helm, we have the new Mercury throttles, all of your switches, trim tabs, JBL audio, Simrad VHF, and a 12-inch Simrad navigation screen, and a Mercury vessel. You do have 12-volt and USB power, as well as a compass. In your starboard console, you have more storage where your bow and cockpit table are stowed, as well as a 5-gallon pail. You also have quick access to the 5-gallon pail through this little hatch. It's good for throwing out garbage or anything else. Under the starboard bow chase, you can lift it up and get even more access to that console area. As you can see, there's bungees here. You can stow your rods and reels overnight, weeks, months, and they're going to be okay because not only does the console lock, but this chase also locks. Right to the right of that, you have another JBL audio split, so you can control the volume up on the bow and have a different volume in the cockpit. You also have a USB plug there, more speakers, cup holders, and flip down armrests. Now up on the bow, you have another washdown. In your anchor locker, you have an electric winch. The large hardtop has grab rails on the center line, more speakers, You also have rocket launchers, more rod holders, and this boat comes equipped with a full isinglass enclosure. Back in the cockpit, you have 2 fish boxes on the starboard and port sides. If you enjoyed taking a look at the 280 Vantage today, please give us a call at Westbrook MarineMax, and we would be happy to help you.